Today I'm going to show you how I make some amazing wild garlic butter. So let's do it. This stuff grows everywhere in the UK between February and April, and for me is the true taste of spring. So take a good handful of your wild garlic, and you want to be sure to give that a thorough wash. So rinse it under some warm water, squeeze out the excess moisture. If you're concerned, you can blanch it really quickly in some boiling water. Chuck that onto a chopping board, and we're going to want a really sharp knife. Roughly chop your way through the wild garlic. It doesn't have to be too fine, it is going into a blender in a moment. And next we're going to want a blender. Start by chucking in a nice knob of butter. Along with the butter, you want to go in with a good handful of your wild garlic. Pop on the lid and give it a good blitzing up. After a couple of moments, you want to add a good pinch of sea salt. Give it a taste and check the consistency, and add any more butter that you want. Give it another couple of moments in the blender, and I like to blend it up nice and smooth, almost like a lovely whipped butter. At this point, you want to take a lemon, cut off a nice thin slice, and just squeeze a few drops of the juice into the butter. This just adds another dimension to the butter and gives it a slight lift. Works really well. Give it one last good blending up, make sure it's really nice and thick and smooth, and then pop your wild garlic butter into a bowl, and there we have the most amazing wild garlic butter. So give it a try, and I'll see you next time.